move through this. We're getting close to that point where we got to start thinking about how this is all going to shake out. Obviously, power outages are something that we would have to deal with. And I think it's interesting, and the first question that popped in my mind is, with the transition to Dominion, what does this do for the operation?
Well, one of the great things about being a part of the larger Dominion enterprise is that we are now connected to additional resources within our own organizational network. That's additional crews, additional trucks, additional equipment and resources, fleet resources. All of that gives us quicker access as we continue to mobilize and stage and prepare for this event.
Walk us through the process. You lose power, you report it, then do what? There's some other things people can do.
Absolutely. One of the things we like for customers to do as soon as they can as they prepare for the event is really connect with us now. Go to dominionenergysc.com and register your mobile device to be able to report that outage to us. Once the power goes out, you'll be able to use your mobile device to do that. But you need to register that in advance of the event. Right.
Okay. And is that a simple process?
Simple process, a couple of steps. Go right to dominionenergysc.com and click on report an outage, and it'll walk you right through that.
What are we anticipating? I mean, you guys are just as clued in as we are. We have a lot of buried power lines around here, but we still also have some up on the poles.
We are staged and ready to go with more than 2,000 company and on-system resources, bringing in additional resources as we speak, staging about 140 line workers and tree crews into Walterboro today as we prepare and watch where that track is going. We are really ready, prepared, and ready to roll.
And it's probably a good
first responders too. Those
Absolutely.
linemen, those folks who are going to be out there on the front lines. Paul, thank you.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
So much.